Hello and welcome back. My name is Mohammed Khan. In my previous video, I spoke about automation, using automation in the audit space, and the three key benefits of audit automation. In this video, as promised, I'm going to talk about the three key challenges of audit automation. If you want to know more about automation and using automation in the audit space, then please go back and watch my previous video. In this video, we are purely going to focus on the challenges. Now, when I say challenges of automation, I don't necessarily mean to discourage anyone. I'm not saying it's a bad idea. All I'm trying to say is if you understand the challenges of automation well, then the likelihood of getting successful results are higher. And that is the case with any new technology. So let's start with the challenges then. The first challenge of automation or audit automation is the solution or designing the right solution. And when I say that, I mean you have to understand and you have to clearly know what you want to achieve out of it. For that, you may have to speak to the auditors working on the field. You have to talk to your data analytics team or the software development team who's designing the solution for you. You have to speak with your senior management team, and you also have to speak with your stakeholders. And you do this all to understand what are the pain points, what are the controls that can be automated. You have to be ambitious, but at the same time you have to be realistic also. You cannot automate each and every audit test. You can automate only the ones which are either repetitive or where less human intelligence is required. So you need to understand very clearly what you need to automate. So that is the first thing, to have the right solution in place so that you can invest your resources, you can invest your time in the right place. The second challenge is data. Now, because the entire concept of automation is data driven or technology driven, you have to very clearly understand what data you need in order to achieve the results that you have found in your solution phase. So when you're gathering your requirements, you need to understand with your data what data you need to use in order to achieve the results that you have classified in your solution phase. And for that, you need to speak with your stakeholders. You need to engage with your technology stakeholders to understand where the data is, how that can be analyzed, how that can be provided to you, and what are the scripts that you would need in order to analyze it. In this phase, you may also come across a point where you may have to implement some new infrastructure like servers, databases, scripts, programs. So all this will come as part of identifying the right data and understanding it. So data is the second challenge. And the third challenge is maintenance. So once you have got your solution in place, once you have got your data in place, you have implemented the scripts that analyze that data. Now you have to keep up with the changes that are going into that data or that application. Now, in the real world, the data is changing all the time, and it's not just about adding new data, it's about the design of the data also, which may change over a period of time. And if you don't change your automation scripts, then the chances are that your test may become irrelevant or it may not be complete. Let me give you a quick example. If you're reviewing a list of users which have got 5 roles in it and your test is only focused on those 5 roles, if technology or business for some reason in a change implement a 6th role, then your program will not know what that 6th role is and what to do with it. So you have to incorporate that change in your automation script also to make sure that the system can respond to that 6th role and throw an alert or an exception if you want. And for that, you need to devise a mechanism whereby you come to know about that introduction of that new role on a timely basis, and then you can react to it and incorporate that in your automation script also. So that brings us to the end of this episode. What we have seen so far are the three key challenges of automation in the audit space. One is the solution, the other one is data, and the last one is maintenance. So if you have liked this video, if it has helped you understand the concept more clearly, then please subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your fellow colleagues, and post your comments so that I know what other topics you would like to hear from me. I'll do some more research, get back to you with more comments or with more videos. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good week. I'll speak to you soon again. Bye bye.